Hey guys, Greenbird here. I hope everyone is doing awesome. I'm going to do a quick review on this pretty cool item that I found at Ocean State Job Lots here in New Hampshire. I mean, I live in Maine, but I found it in New Hampshire. And I wasn't really expecting much because it says 36 watts. Eh. And it was only like 10 bucks. But I want to show you what this actually does because I have one that I have installed up here in this light socket. So let me go ahead and kill the other lights and show you what this does, because I am super impressed. I apologize, my basement is super dirty. I need to clean it. Let's see here, where is the switch? Look how bright this is. That thing is amazing. Absolutely as bright as you can expect. So I could be down here in the dungeon flint napping right now. And yes, I know I gotta work on some insulation over there. The squirrels have been getting to it. My basement is dirty. I get it. Don't give me a hard time. But this light is just amazing. I'm gonna go back. I think I'm gonna buy 5 or 6 more. You know, for $10 or $11, I think it was $10, $10.99, something like that. These are just really, really amazing lights. So anyway, hope everyone's doing awesome. Hope you're living the life that you chose, the day you deserve, and I will see you next time.